Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tumpa, and if you are watching me for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel. A contour palette, and it is a ADS contour palette. This one was for 300 rupees. I will give the details in the description box below. I only have one contour palette which is from Makeup Revolution, and it's really good, so I never thought of buying any other contour palette, but still I just got tempted to buy this product because it was quite cheap. Okay, so I like the way they have been named. It's cider, cobbler, pie, crisp, candy, caramel. Okay, and it also has a nice mirror. It is slightly powdery, but yes, it is also very creamy, smooth. Alright, so these are the swatches, if you can see. Hopefully they will also blend nicely on your face. I didn't use any contouring today. I don't like using or doing contouring so often. Maybe once in a blue moon, or if I am making any makeup tutorial. Today I've just put blush, and you can see there is highlighter, but there is no contouring. Let me just go with a darker. I'm going with this shade. I don't want to go with this one because I don't have a brush here right now. Okay, I think that's decent enough. Yes, the product is good. It just blended very nicely even without using a brush. Let me go ahead and do the other side. Yes, the product did its job nicely. I do like the product. I do recommend this one, and this is just for like 300 rupees. Let me see, how do I use this one. This is actually for baking, like here. It's very smooth. It's coming onto my fingers very nicely, and the blending part is very easy. Okay, next is this shade, which is a very light beige highlighting shade. I can use this one for highlighting my nose maybe. Let's see. These are all matte shades, by the way. So if you like highlighters without shimmers, then these two shades are really good. So it depends how you want to use it. There is no particular rule. I believe, I can use this as an eyeshadow. I can use this for contouring. I can use this one for baking. I can also use these for highlighting. So it all depends on how much time I have. So coming to the review of this product, I really liked it. The packaging is nice, and it easily blended on my skin. I liked it, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.